Sunber here. This is the packaging that I received, and even in the box I am looking at a glueless lace frontal human hair straight Malaysian version human hair wig, pre-plug lace wig, baby hair, 16 inch. So it's a lace frontal, and I believe it's 13 by 6. So this wig came with 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back and adjustable straps. So I am showing you that I don't think this lace goes with my skin tone. I just feel like it's a ashy weird brown. I didn't know if it was too dark or too light. It was just so weird. And I'm also showing you that the lace frontal is pre-plucked, so I'm gonna use my wax stick to get all of the hairs and a backwards motion to get them out of the way for my bleaching process. So I'm using Quick Blue bleaching powder and 30 volume developer, and I'm giving it like a pasty consistency so it doesn't seep through the lace. I'm using the spoon method. I am so happy that I use this method. This application came out way better than every single application I have ever done on a wig, lace frontal, lace closure, and I will continue to use this application. The spoon is bomb. So I'm going to lay this frontal on some aluminum foil so I can speed up the process, help the process entrap some heat, and I'm pulling the hairs off the front of the lace. I usually get the hairline bleach because the hairs lay into the bleach, and this is the shedding that I got just from neutralizing the wig, the knots, and shampooing and conditioning the wig. And you see it has a little wave to it even though this is a straight wig. Now, I did mention that this wig is pre-plucked, and I decided to practice some plucking and go ahead and pluck it a little bit more because I need the practice seriously. And I still felt like it was a little bit too dense for my liking. I have a small head, so when the front of the hairline is really dense, it doesn't do me any justice. And but you don't really have to go in and pre-plug because I feel like the lace frontal does have a nice pre-plug hairline. Now, if you saw the video that I did following IAMERICKAJ steps, then you already know the process that I'm about to do. And I really wish I would just put down that e.l.f. pressing powder because the lace is ashy and our pressing powder is ashy, and I just don't feel like it was a good mix. So I end up tightening the wig in a bag with the adjustable straps, and I begin to apply my Ghostbond lace glue, and I'm gonna go ahead with applying the wig onto the lace glue and, you know, combing it in and whatnot and cutting my air tabs. And, you know, doing the usual process that I would do. And if you have seen previous videos, then you know what I'm doing. Once it sets in, I'm gonna go ahead and use my razor comb to cut the lace off. The reason why I'm also showing me apply this unit is because it's a new unit, lace and everything. So I wanted to try again the lace adhesive glue with a brand new unit, just to see if the application would be any better. And I really do think it was definitely better than the last time. So I'm gonna go ahead and section out my baby hair, and I'm just gonna do the same routine that I did in the following IAMERICKAJ video. So I'll link that video down below, and I'll link it above as well, so you can go ahead and watch that one if you think I'm skimming through this video too fast on what I'm doing. Now, I'm also showing you what I'm doing for people that are new and are not subscribed. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your bell notifications because I'm trying to upload every day this week, but I do upload every Thursday. So that you won't miss a video, turn on your notification bell because YouTube is playing games. They not pushing out my videos to my subscribers, but if your bell is on, then you'll know anytime I upload a video. Now I'm just going to go ahead and section out my part. I'm doing a middle part because you guys know I always do a side part, but I'm gonna do a middle part for this video. And then I'm gonna do a side part, and I'm gonna do other little hairstyles that I thought was cute. The hair density is very natural. It has to be like a 130 density, and I love how it looks in a ponytail. And this was the first week with the lace glue Ghostbond. So I just want to let you guys know that I have had this hair for a month now, and the first week I laid it down with Ghostbond glue adhesive, as you saw in the beginning, and now this is the second week. I washed the unit and I'm gonna lay it down with some Got2be glue spray. As you saw, I didn't do the bowl cut method because I couldn't be bothered, and I'm cutting me some more baby hair because for some odd reason I cut baby hair, but every time I apply wig to my head for the second, third, fourth time, I could never find the baby hair that I previously cut, so I end up always cutting more. But anyways, I'm just gonna do this installation, set it with some mousse, and let that sit and dry and set in place. And the third week I got sick and I went to the hospital because I had hit my head, and I didn't get a chance to wear the wig for that whole week, but I did wear it on and off when I left out the house. So the fourth week is basically gonna be the next video that you guys see, which is gonna be me coloring the hair, giving the hair some highlights, bleaching it. And the reason why I'm doing that is because in this clip here, when I reinstalled it, I had bleached the knots for the second time because I'm like, oh, these knots must be stubborn or whatever the case may be. But no, I believe this hair has been previously dyed because the knots were not turning blonde. If I bleached any hair the first time around, it would probably turn like a brassy blonde, and then the second time it would be like really blonde depending on how long I keep the bleach on there. But this time that did not happen. The hair was just still like a reddish brown. In the beginning you could barely see that I bleached the knots, and now it's just like a reddish blonde. But it's okay. I'm going to give this hair some highlights and see what's the undertone of this color to see if it was previously dyed. That feels so good in this hair. So give me your thoughts down below. Have I been improving? Is this an improvement? Is this a melt? Is it a melt? Okay. Actually, I'm really feeling myself. And you guys, you don't understand the work that I put into this because this hair was previously dyed because, okay, let me show y'all why I say this hair is previously dyed. Do you see this? Like, it's brown. You see that? Like, it didn't get blonde. It got brown. Now, lace is not gonna get brown. This is the second time I bleached it. Like, it shouldn't get brown like this. It should have got blonde. It should have got blonde. So I'm gonna bleach this. Like, you see, like, none of the knots, none of them are brown. I mean, none of them are blonde. They're like brown. Okay, that's not bad. But anyway, we're gonna bleach the hair. We're gonna give it some highlights. So yeah.